Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a deep dive into a fantastic Magisk module designed specifically for Asus phone users. The Asus Phone and Contacts Magisk module unlocks a treasure trove of hidden features and functionalities within your Asus device, elevating your overall experience to new heights. Before we dive in, let's ensure your phone is compatible. You'll need an Android phone running Android 10, Magisk or KernelSU already installed on your device. This grants root access, which is essential for using Magisk modules. Alright, with the requirements met, let's get started with the installation. Head over to the video description. There, you'll find the download link for the Asus Phone and Contacts Magisk module. Launch the Magisk Manager app or your KernelSU app. Within the app, navigate to the Modules section. Locate the downloaded Asus Phone and Contacts module file. You might need to tap the Browse or Select File button. Locate the downloaded Asus Phone and Contacts module file. You might need to tap the Browse or Select File button. If you're using KernelSU instead of Magisk, there are a couple of extra steps. Locate the option and mount modules by default and disable it. That's it. After the reboot, your Asus Phone and Contacts Magisk module should be up and running. Now, you can enjoy the additional features and functionalities it brings to your Asus phone. Thanks for joining me today. Remember to like and subscribe for more cool tech tutorials and hidden feature explorations. If you have any questions about the Asus Phone and Contacts Magisk module, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, happy tweaking!